Hello guys, welcome back on another video on Java 8 Stream API. In this video, we are going to see some of the commonly asked interview question on Java 8 Stream. So here if you see, we have some commonly asked questions: count employee in each department, average salary per department, department having more than 3 employees, highest salary in each department, employee earning more than department salary. If you see this question, these are the very basic and commonly asked in the MNCs. So stay with me. We will going to see one by one. First, we will understand what we have did here. We have taken one list of employee. In that, we have added employee list like employee ID, name, department, salary. Like this, we have added in this employee object. For this employee, I have getter, setter, and constructor and two string method. So here, if you see, I have some field employee ID, name, department, salary, and getter, setter, constructor, and two string methods. So let's get deep dive into the these queries. We will solve one by one. So first query here is count employee in each department. So how we can count each department, each employee in department. So for that we need to stream over employees. So employees dot stream, then dot collect. Collectors dot to list is here, but we need groups because we want each department. So for that we will use grouping by employee. There is a method reference we can use, which is like employee dot get department. So we want department. So we are getting employee dot get department, comma, collectors dot collectors dot counting. So counting will give us the count of the employee in the department. So we have get this into the one result variable. So result variable is a type of map string comma long. And we will simply print this result variable. So just here we can use sysout as out result. Let's run our program and we will see the out of this what we will get. So next question here is average salary per department that we are going to see. Here if we see, we found the here each department. Finance we have one, HR we have two, IT we have four. So next question here, find average salary per department. So how we can find average salary per department? For this also, we need to take one variable, result variable, which is string of double. Double because we have to take the salaries, average salary. So salary we can store into the double variable. That's why we are taking double here. Then result equal to what we want to do, employees dot stream. Every time you need to remember, we need to stream on the employees. People will forget this. So keep it in mind. Then dot collect collectors dot grouping by, and we need to group based on the employee department. Get department is a method reference we are using here, and we need to collect here averaging double. Collectors dot averaging double. So this is the predefined method provided by Stream API. What we need to double? Salary. Whose salary? Employee salary. So that's it. That's it. We need to just print this second variable, result variable. We will mark it as a result 2. Use yes out result 2 and it will print us the average salary per department. Let's rerun from here. And next question we are going to see like departments having more than 3 employees. So here if you see, we have IT department which we have more than 3 employees. So it should print the IT. Here if you see, we got the average salary of each department. Like finance, we have 50,000 average. HR, we have 42,000 similarly. So let's go into the next question. Department having more than 3 employees. So here, how we can find this department having more than 3 employees? For this, we will create one sample result variable, string, comma, long, result. So we will store this as a result 3. 3 equal to, we need to stream on employees. So employees dot stream, stream is a method dot collection, sorry, dot not collection, collects dot collects, collectors dot grouping by, collectors dot grouping by. What we need to group? First employee by get department and collectors dot counting. So what it will give us? Department with count, collectors dot counting. Counting is a method which will give us the count. So now we need to use entry set on this, entry set dot stream. We need to stream entry set and filter this entry set based on the, we will pass employee as an object, then e dot get value is greater than 3. So what we are want here? We want employee which is greater than 3. Then we will collect this dot collect collectors dot to map. So we need to map these entries based on the kn value. Map map dot entry we need to take map dot entry, and we will get the method reference like get k comma map dot get value. Yes, I will simply copy paste this. We need to use here get value. And now we will simply print this result 3 variable. Just yes out result 3. Let's rerun again our program. Then next we have question like highest salary in each department. How we can find highest salary in each department, that we are going to see. So here we got the count. Employee is having more than 3. So department having more than 3. Here we got the 4, which is IT we have seen. So next is highest salary in each department. How we can find this? So let's create result variable. Result 4 we will create here equal to employees dot stream dot collect collectors dot grouping by. We will group by grouping by. Here we need to use method reference for department employee So first we need to get the department. Based on the department, we can compare. Get the department, then collectors dot ters dot max by. Max is the function. Max by. Now here we need to use comparator interface for the comparing. Comparator dot comparing is the method. We will pass the get salary as a employee get salary as a method reference. We will use here employee get salary. So we can get the highest salary from the each department. And now just we need to print this variable result for. So we need to store this as a map string map k values. Here employee will be our optional string optional employee. Just print this variable result for variable. For that we use sysout result for. Let's rerun this again and we will see the if we get the highest salary in each department. So we do have next question, employees earning more than department average. So here if we see, we got the department with highest salary. So here finance we have Neha, HR we have Priya, and IT we have Ankit. So let's go into the next question, which is employee earning more than department average. So how we can get the employee which is earning department average salary? So let's begin with the average salary. We will take first average salary. Average salary equal to what we will do? We will stream on employees dot stream dot collect collectors dot grouping by what we need to group here employee department employee department comma collectors dot averaging averaging double is the method to get the each department average. So like this you need to know in which method we need to call on the specific point. So then only you can write this code collector dot averaging double, and in this we will get what we will get what we want average double what average we want salary. So for that we will pass employee dot get salary employee dot get salary, and we will close this. So now we got the here average salary which we will store in the string and double. For that we will use map key value string comma double. So here we got the average salary, but what we want employee we want who is earning more than average salary. So we will process on this average salary now. So for that we will use list of employees. What we want? A list of employees who is earning greater than average salary. So for that we will store this into the one result variable. Now result is 5 we will take equal to employees dot stream employees dot stream dot filter. We need to filter this employee. How we can filter? We need to pass employee reference and employee object. E dot get salary is greater than average average salary we need to pass, which we calculated previously. Average salary dot get is the method. What we need to get here? We need to get the dep- department. Now we will collect this dot collect collector dot to list. So what it is saying? Okay, we can use it with a to list. Just now we need to print the system dot out dot result 5. Result 5 is the employee which is earning more than the average salary of the department. Let's rerun this and we will see the output. So this is the basic most commonly asked question in the Java Stream API. If you go to the Java experienced developer as a 3 to 4 or 5 years, you should know this question. You should write this code. Then only you have the chances of getting selected. So here we got the last employee which is earning by with department like Neha is earning salary 70,000, which is greater than the average of the department. So that's all from this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like the like the videos, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any doubt. Thanks for watching.